Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In this video, I will share with you how to make this delicious cinnamon roll cake. To begin, we're gonna mix in a bowl 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now mix in 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and half a cup of melted unsalted butter. To make the cinnamon roll filling that we'll be using as a topping, mix together 3/4 cups of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Pour the batter in a greased and floured 9 by 13 inch cake pan. Then, dollop the butter-sugar mixture all around the cake. Next, use a knife to swirl the mixture into the cake. Then, bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, make the glaze. And for that, you're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cups of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 5 tablespoons of milk. When the cake's out of the oven, simply pour the glaze on top and your cake is done. I love this recipe because it's so simple, fast, and delicious. You get that same cinnamon roll flavor, but you take less than half of the time to make it. That's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and try this recipe at home. Also, go ahead and share it with a friend so they can try to make it as well. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notifications bell so you don't miss on any of my future videos.